this tastes good.
It's Henry!
And those are blowers! Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry. I'm Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Late start today. I just spent about an hour transferring all my ratings from Let Go to OfferUp. Man, oh man, OfferUp sucks, but it's out there. I gotta get my stuff on there. So when I first switched over from Let Go to OfferUp, my ratings weren't transferred. I mean, you know, I do a lot of transactions on Let Go in the past 2-3 years, you know what I mean? So my ratings were like 146 transactions, 5-star reviews. Well, when I switched over, my OfferUp said 1, so it didn't transfer over. What turns out is I didn't use the same email that I used for the Let Go for my OfferUp. So I used the same email, verified and all that stuff, and boom, sure enough, my OfferUp app now shows the 146 transactions that I had on Let Go. So I spent some time just listing the stuff that I have outstanding that I need to sell. Today is a wet day, and thank goodness, because we haven't had rain for quite a while. The lawn really needs the moisture. Every time I put my Toro's 6160 turn into this shed over here, I always run over this. It's in the way all the time. It's an Echo GT-200B. This is made by Kioritz Corporation in Japan. Very high quality feel to it, you know, heavy, solid state, that kind of feel, you know. I got this for free, that's right, free, from my substitute mailman, Nick. I had sold Nick a John Deere JS63 lawnmower last year, and ever since then, his cousin, every time he sees something on the street, he'll pick it up for me and take it home, and then give it to Nick for Nick to bring to me when he delivers my mail. Nice guy, you know, really nice guy. While I hate weed whackers, this Echo GT-200B is actually a very good weed whacker. It has a head. It seems like it's all here. It's supposed to have a toggle switch for the on and off. I don't see it. Because my other one, I had another one here, and I don't see it, so I don't even know how you... Oh, so it's not, see? It's the plastic on and off switch. Anyway, so looking at this, obviously you see the pull cord is strapped here. And you could also see the evidence that it's been serviced. So I'm thinking, guy's using it, it's been serviced regularly, pull cord flew off, he got pissed, chucked it out. So maybe if I just fix the pull cord, it'll run like new. As you guys also know, my next door neighbor Hope, who moved away, her mother still lives around the neighborhood. So she's my good neighbor. I see her walking every day. As you know, I fixed her mower yesterday. I don't think she expects to pay for any of it because I'm the one who sold her this mower, right? That's why I hate doing work for or selling stuff to neighbors, because you feel obligated that you gotta fix it for the life of the mower, you know? Change the fuel line, clean the carb, gave it an oil change, scraped the grass out of here, lubed the wheels. I basically just gave it a whole tune-up, you know? Just primed it, ran great yesterday, but you know what happens when you let it sit overnight, something happens, whatever, it may not start, you know? I've had that happen. Just primed it. Damn, that's a good mower. I'm gonna go deliver it to her right now. Well, maybe not right now. There's no rush. She walks by, she'll see it. Let's work on this. And let's try to get the pull cord back into this recoil. As you can see from this recoil, it's steel. And it's got 4 Phillips screws that attach the recoil starter on here. Well, seems like it was, there it is. 5. 3 pointed forward, and 2 on the bottom base here. Yep, that's Boba. He hasn't been out very much lately, but remember, he did go on vacation with me, had quite a workout. I mean, we did like 10-mile hikes, and that dog was like with us the whole time, you know? Holy cow. Has a gasket on it. Interesting, huh? I don't think I've ever done it, one of these things before. I'm gonna have to try to figure this one out here. So I'm just removing this center part here, the coil. There's the part of the string that's in here. I see. So not much. So the rope didn't break in half, which means I could still use the rope. It's only an inch here that's different, you know. And the coil in there looks good. I'm gonna put some lubricant in there, and it looks like once I connect the rope, right, and you just stick this in here. And I don't think you recoil it first, like a lawnmower, you know, or do you? I have to figure that out. So logic has it that you put this in first and then attach it to the coil. The reel, I'm sorry, the reel. And then since you're pulling it like that, you want it to pull counterclockwise so that it winds. When you pull it, it winds, then sucks it back in. That's right. So you want to put it in through here. I know I'm going to do this wrong, but I'm just going by what logic says. And you really should burn the end of this because look, it's all frayed. It's all frayed. You're not going to be able to get it in there like that. So I just made a knot after I got it through there. So this rests right there. And now I'm going to wind it. It pulls this way. You want to pull it that way so it goes counterclockwise. So you've got to do it this way. Don't pull it too tight, otherwise it'll get caught in there. I know this is the official length of what it was because it only stopped there, right? It broke pretty much at the place. So there's the notch in here, like that. And when you pull, you're winding it. See? Oh, but so much has come out already. I'm gonna have to pull this back out and redo it because too much rope, too much slack had gone by before I connected it. I'll get it right. It'll take me a couple of tries. If you can't do it really well, you see the notch over here? You could actually pick the rope, wind it again when it's inside, and then that'll make it more tighter. That's why it's designed to have that. So I had it on here. It's still, this handle was still hanging about that much. So I knew that I could pull it one more revolution around there. So I picked that rope and just went around again. So now, here we go, see? Under great tension. So now I'm just gonna put it back. So I put everything together. I tried pulling it a bunch of times, and it went weird a little bit. That's when I stopped time lapse, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. I put some gas in here, and it doesn't seem to have a primer bulb. I don't remember that. So it's just the switch on, and I've had full choke. Now I just took it off a choke. Let's see. How about that, huh? I better choke it again. Got to put some string on the head. Let's see if it starts up again. Stoke it! There you go. Recoil starter. Gave it a couple of cranks. Put some new line in there. I just weed whacked my lawn. When I was weed whacking over there was a branch there. I figure I'd just demolish the branch. So I hit the branch. It goes shooting right into my face. And I feel something right around here. Is there something around here? Redness? Blood? Hope not. So I went and dropped off the mower to my neighbor, and then she's so happy, you know, and she goes, oh, now that's what I'm talking about, you know? So she was so happy, and then and she's like, okay, let me pay you. And I'm like, well, I mean, honestly, she's like, no, let me pay you. If I took it somewhere else, they would have charged me $100 for this, $125 for a tune-up, you know, whatever. And I'm like, I know, but I feel funny taking money from you, you know? She's like, will you take $20? And I said, yeah, I'll take $20, thank you. So, it's always good to be neighborly, eh? I mean, come on. We live with them, right? Make peace, have a good relationship with everybody. Everybody's happy. They help you out someday, you help them out someday. It all comes out even. Anyway, thanks for following me along on my Echo GT-200B weed whacker fix. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers! Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Yeah.